You open the door and I'm staring at the sky. You say it's cold out there, come on inside, I will keep you warm. I'm relearning a language I'd forgotten how to speak. Sometimes I catch your eye and my heart misses a beat. Is this alright? Usually I can never tell, but I wanna give you all the things that I am tired of trying to sell. This is so okay with me. I think I'll stay with you. My only wish is stealing your kiss. I couldn't fight this feeling, although I tried. You caught me with a crossword puzzle and a purple pen late at night. Now I wanna fly away with you to strange dark towns on an empty beach. Salt on my tongue and a moonlight sea. This is so okay with me. I think I'll stay with you. My only wish is stealing your kiss. Across. This time I'm so far downstream, but I don't feel lost. If you hold on real tight, I bet we make it through the night, through the night, through the night. I don't need Jesus or a red-headed ghost. Come inside my heart where no one gets to go. This is so okay with me. I think I'll stay with you. This is so sha-la-la, 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 sha-la-la,